Welcome to my channel. Hello YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. So for today's makeup, I'm gonna do the Turkish singer Hadise. I found one of her pictures, so I said maybe I should do the makeup. So that's what I'm going to work on today. My phone died. So here is the picture that I want to do. So it's just like nice warm tones that we are going to work on today. So for my foundation, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me. All right, now I'm going to do my concealer. I'm going to use these two. All right, and I'm gonna apply this one on my lid. I'm gonna go in like this. Okay, let's bake. Yeah, I changed my foundation because the other one was making me look too white. Yeah, because it doesn't match my skin. But obviously it's summer now and I'm tanned, so I need a darker shade. So I just found a way. All right, now we can work on the eyes. So for the copper shade, I'm gonna go in with my Perfect eyeshadow by Beauty Glaze. So I'm gonna grab this palette. And first of all, I'm gonna start with a lighter shade. So I'm just gonna use two colors from this palette. So I'm gonna take the camel, this color, and I'm gonna use raw. And I'm going in. And I'm gonna apply it on the bottom. Now let's go in with the darker shade. So I'm going in with the darker shade on my bottom lashes as well. I just want to blend the edges. Is this one clean? Should be clean. Okay, now we're gonna add the shimmer. So for my shimmer, so we are grabbing this palette, and I'm gonna grab this color, the gold shade. Okay, let's go in with the same darker color so that we can fix the middle part. All right, now I'm going to do the other eye. I forgot to do my brows, so let's do my brows quickly. As if I'm recording this video right now, Sheldon is creating a backdrop for me, so there's actually a green screen behind me. All right, I'm gonna do my mascara and I'm gonna add the lashes from Allure London Definition, this brand. Okay, now I'm gonna add eye pencil, so my lashes are done. All right, for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with Physicians Formula. Gonna nice get that bronze look, baby. All right, for blush, we are going in with Cool, this one. And for highlighter, and for lips, we have to do nude. All right, so for my lips, I used these two. All right, guys, so here is my finished look. So today we did Hadise's makeup. I personally love her. She's gorgeous and I had fun creating the makeup look. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave a comment, and please subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!